Yo, what's up? So I recently dropped a video where I grilled a turkey leg, but I didn't really kind of show you what to, like how to make a meal out of it. All I did was show you how to grill it, right? So today I'm gonna kind of finish up that video and show you how to make a turkey sandwich. I'm gonna shred the turkey. So instead of grilling it indoors again, I'm gonna just do it on my cast iron, but it's the same process as doing it outside on the grill. Then we're gonna make a sandwich. Okay, so here's the setup for the turkey sandwich. So the only thing I'm doing different than I did for the video with the turkey leg on the grill is that now I'm including some herbs and some onion and garlic. So, but it's the same process. I got my pan nice and hot here. Got the turkey leg seasoning, just gonna sear all sides and then throw it into our oven. Have the oven preheating. Let me go ahead and do that because I kind of forgot. I use the convection bake, but we're gonna put it on about 400. So that shouldn't take long. Yeah, so I got lettuce, tomato. This is some red onion that I'm gonna put on top. It's red onion with distilled vinegar. So that's just gonna sit, and that goes on the very top at the end. And then this is the bread I'm using. It's a yeah, like a garlic onion bread that I got from my cousin-in-law. So shout out to her. All right, and my pan's getting too hot, so we better start cooking. Okay, so I'm back. So this is our turkey leg. So all I did was take it out. First I had it cook in the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. So I flipped it halfway through. And so then all I did was just wrap it up in foil, and then I put the pan drippings in there as well. So I can't open it all the way. But I lowered the temperature of the stove to 350, and then I'm gonna put it back in the oven for probably about maybe 15 minutes. I'll just check it at the end and keep checking it until it's done. All right, so I pulled the turkey from the oven, so it's nice and done. See, I tested it, so it's done. I got my bun grilling here and some butter that's just heating up. And then the last thing we need to do is make the sauce for our turkey sandwich. So I got some bowl. And a spoon. We're gonna start with, and I'm just gonna freestyle this. So you could say this is a tablespoon of mayonnaise. Do a little bit more. Tablespoon of mayonnaise. About a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. About the same for hot sauce. I got Tabasco. I got some tomato paste because I don't want to use ketchup. So let's see if this works better for me. And this is concentrate, so definitely not putting a lot. And then we have a little dry mustard. This is Indian mustard. Yeah, so Indian brown mustard. So put a little bit of that in there. And some lemon juice. So roll this lemon. Alright, just make sure I don't get any seeds in here. But yeah, that's good. Just take our spoon and just mix it up. Yeah, that's definitely the color that we want. So, yeah. But I'm probably gonna put a little salt and pepper in this too after I taste it. I think the salt flavor is there. Definitely need some black pepper. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of Tabasco, a little bit more. A little bit more, because I like the spice. Okay, so I pulled our buns. Now we got our turkey leg here. We're gonna get this unwrapped. Here comes the dog, right on cue. All right, all I'm gonna try to do is just shred it. Yeah, just see if I can do the best job. It is pretty tender, but it has a lot of connective tissues that would have, if I would have cooked it for longer, but it's fine the way it is now, so that's why I went ahead and did it. It looks good for a sandwich either way, because it'll give you some consistency. Okay, so I kind of deboned it just as good as I could, shredded it. So now we're just on to building our little sandwich. So first thing I'm gonna do is just take our sauce that we made, boom, apply it to this side. Boom, no mess, apply it to that side. And I grilled the buns in butter, so they already now have an extra little taste to them. And like I said, they're already onion buns, so even the bread is gonna be contributing flavor to this dish. Made a mess that time. Okay. And let's get our lettuce. Let's get this all prepared. I like lettuce. Need to do better with eating more of it. Let's get this stalk out of there. There we go. The tomato looks a little sad. It's just the end of the tomato, and there's no point in wasting it. And get a few pickles. Oh, I cut these kind of big. Okay. Now we're gonna take some of our turkey. And depending on how much you eat, that's depending on, the portion size. Gotta clean it up. Bless you. He's waiting on food to fall. Okay. That's good there. Let's get some of our, so I got a little bit of fresh scallion. And a little bit of the red onion that I marinated in the white vinegar. And there you go. That's a sandwich. Oops. All right, now let me try to flip this over without messing it up. Boom. Okay, you catch it. All right, so here's our sandwich. It's definitely messy, but you can now serve this with chips. You could make fries, onion rings, whatever you want. Really, whatever you want. So this is our drumstick turkey sandwich. All right, thank you.